Hi everyone. Last week was the 26th Monday of the year, which means half a Mech Monday is done. I wanted to share some shots of all 26 of my models displayed together, as well as some good news and some bad news. This challenge has been a blast and I have to thank Markus for it. I should also mention my brother who edits all the videos for me. Anyway, the good news is, I got a job at LEGO and will soon move to Denmark to work as a designer at LEGO Creator. The bad news is, this means I will not have my private bricks with me for half a year or more, which means I cannot do all 52 Mech Mondays this year. However, you can still follow what Markus and other builders are doing over at Flickr. As for me, maybe I'll return to this project in the future. Thanks for your support, and see you on a Monday.